Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Volvo XC60. Start by arranging paper, a sharp pencil, ruler, and an eraser nearby. Lightly sketch a horizontal baseline and 2 vertical guides to set car height and wheel placement. Block in the car body as simple shapes: rectangle for cabin, curved trapezoid for hood, and circles for wheels. Keep strokes loose and check proportions before refining lines and adding details. Now focus on blocking in the main shapes. Use smooth curves for the roofline and cabin, then mark wheel centers along the baseline evenly. Lightly draw the hood and rear as gentle slopes to suggest the XC60 crossover stance. Keep all lines faint so you can adjust proportions easily. At this stage, ignore small details and concentrate on getting the overall silhouette balanced before moving to panel lines and windows. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more step-by-step tutorials. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof meal prep containers are perfect for saving sauces and snacks while you draw, keeping your workspace clean and stress-free. They nest well and seal tight, making breaks easier without spills. Look in the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Refine the drawing by adding windows, mirrors, and the Volvo grille outline with intentional strokes. Shape the wheel arches and define hubcaps and tire outlines, then place headlights and taillights using the reference for accuracy. Carve in subtle body creases and panel gaps to bring realism. Erase excess construction lines, darken final contours, and adjust shading to suggest volume while keeping the drawing cohesive and balanced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.